Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your EDIFIER HECATE GX07. And you have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Firstly, we need to perform a software set. So now your earbuds disconnected from your phone. And then you open the charging case, then remove your earbuds from the charging case, your earbuds reconnect to your phone. Now check, is it fix your problem? If it doesn't, we should perform a factory set, and we have two options how to perform it. We can use an application or we can use we can do it manually. So to use the application, open EDIFIER CONNECT app, then of course your earbud should be connected with the application. No, we have it. Okay, you just go to the settings and then click at the factory settings and confirm. Or to do it manually, you just put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Inside of it we have connection button. You need to press and hold. You need to press 3 times this connection button. 1, 2, 3. After that, we need to reconnect your earbuds with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return here. After factory set, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!